Yahoo!
How are you all, little friends? Today, we have brought a new wild animal safari video for you. You might have noticed a fire truck, and you might be wondering why there is a fire truck among wild animals. Don't worry, there is no fire involved. It is just for decoration. Before we start the video, let's have a little fun. That's enough. Let's start our main video. Rooster. An adult male chicken is called a rooster, and an adult female is called a hen. Roosters are larger, usually more brightly colored, and have larger combs on top of their heads compared to hens. Hen. A female chicken is called a hen. Chicken. The chicken is a domesticated species that arose from the red jungle fowl, originally from India. They have also partially hybridized with other wild species of jungle fowl. Rooster and cock are terms for adult male birds, and a younger male may be called a cockerel. Egg. Chicken egg. Eggs come from chickens and chickens come from eggs. That's the basis of this ancient riddle. But anyway, chicken egg is a main component of the human diet, serving as a dietary source of protein, fat, and other nutrients. Donkey. Equus sinus, also called burro. Domestic ass belonging to the horse family, Equidae, and descended from the African wild ass Equus africanus. It is known to have been used as a beast of burden since 4000 BCE. Canvasback. The canvasback is a species of diving duck, the largest found in North America. The duck's common name is based on early European inhabitants of North America's assertion that its back was a canvas-like color. The polar bear Ursus maritimus is a large bear native to the Arctic and surrounding areas. It is closely related to the brown bear, and the two species can interbreed. The polar bear is the largest extant bear and land carnivore species. Domestic goose. A domestic goose is a goose that humans have domesticated and kept for their meat, eggs, or down feathers. Domestic geese have been derived through selective breeding from the wild gray-lag goose and swan goose. Rabbits, also known as bunnies or bunny rabbits, are small mammals in the family Leporidae of the order Lagomorpha. Rabbits are social creatures and are happiest in the company of their own species. Panda. The giant panda, sometimes called a panda bear, or simply panda, is a bear species endemic to China. It is characterized by its bold black and white coat and rotund body. The name giant panda is sometimes used to distinguish it from the red panda, a neighboring mustaloid. Horse. The horse is a domesticated, one-toed, hoofed mammal. Horses are adapted to run, allowing them to quickly escape predators, and possess an excellent sense of balance. Cow. Cows are one of the most innocent animals who are very harmless. People keep cows at their homes for various benefits. Alligator. An alligator, or colloquially gator, is a large reptile in the Crocodilia order in the genus Alligator of the family Alligatoridae. The two extant species are the American alligator and the Chinese alligator. Additionally, several extinct species of alligator are known from fossil remains. Bull. A bull is an intact adult male of the species Bos taurus. Cattle. More muscular and aggressive than the females of the same species bulls have long been an important symbol in many religions. These animals play a significant role in beef ranching, dairy farming, and a variety of sporting and cultural activities, including bullfighting and bull riding. Tiger. The tiger is the largest living cat and a member of the genus Panthera. It is most easily recognized by its dark vertical stripes on its orange fur with a white underside. As an apex predator, it feeds mainly on ungulates, such as deer and wild boar. It is a territorial and typically solitary but social predator, requiring large contiguous living areas to support its hunting and rearing needs. Tiger cubs stay with their mother for about 2 years, then become independent. That's all for today, my friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. See you soon. Bye.